The Vlookup in Microsoft Excel, Part 3. In this example, we're going to use a Vlookup to calculate how much membership fee each member needs to pay, using the information in the small table. Clicking here, we want the answer to appear. FX. Vlookup, click OK. The lookup value. Now we need to know the membership type. So if we click here, that tells us the membership type. The table array containing the information we want is a small table here. The column index number for the fee is column 2. And in range lookup, we type false. OK. And that's returned £25 for Desmond Flanagan, who is a senior member, age 65. We can see it's returned the correct amount. If we try and copy this formula down, however, it won't work. Let's see what happens. Returning NA. So let's click on one of these cells and see which cells are being used in the formula by clicking into the formula bar. Okay, as we copied it down, it came down this column, it got to junior, but on this side, it's also going to the cells underneath, and it's using these blank cells now. When you're adding up two columns of figures, and you add the top two, you copy it down, and it fills in all the answers relative to the cells on the left. This is called relative cell referencing. Really handy if you're adding up two columns of figures like that. But we don't want it, in this case, to go to the cells underneath. We want it to stay on this small table. This is how you do that. Click FX, Vlookup, OK. Lookup value again will be here in C4, and the table array will again be this information. There comes the difference. I'm clicking in here and pressing the F4 key. I'm clicking there and pressing the F4 key. By pressing the F4 key, I've made these cells absolute. This is an absolute range of cells. That means that as I copy the formula down, it won't go to the cells underneath, it will stay on this table. Column index, 1, 2. And range lookup again is false, because we're looking for an exact match. OK, £25. We copy this down. We can see now it's found all the answers. Click on this one, click into the formula bar, and we can see that it's moved down here, which we wanted it to do, but here it stayed on that table because this table is now absolute. Absolute cell referencing in a Vlookup.